Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the original image and making a copy so you can tinker without risk. Once done, confirm the image supports Exif, JPEG, TIFF, Hike usually do, because otherwise GPS won't exist. Next, run Exif tool or a trusted Exif viewer to export metadata into a readable text file. This gives you raw fields like GPS latitude, GPS longitude, GPS latitude ref, GPS longitude ref, and date time original. You do this because seeing raw tags prevents misinterpretation later and creates a. You now decode the GPS fields. GPS latitude and GPS longitude are often in DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds. So convert to decimal by adding minutes divided by 60 and seconds divided by 3,600 and apply a negative sign when ref indicates south or west. Once done, paste decimals into Google Maps or a GIS app. Make sure to cross-check GPS date stamp and timestamp, if needed. Adjust for time zone differences, because a timestamp mismatch can lead you to the wrong day or shadow angles for verification. You finish by verifying the pinpointed coordinates. Use reverse image search, examine landmarks, shadows, and nearby points of interest to corroborate the spot. Once confirmed, document camera model, focal length, and timestamp to strengthen confidence. These details explain why an angle or scale matches. If GPS is missing or appears scrubbed, look for XMP or sidecar files, check cloud backups and original uploads, or inspect social media Exif remnants. If results conflict, the key troubleshooting tip: always recheck the original file and work on an unmodified copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.